we'll guide you through how to use Claude AI tools effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Claude AI website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see various options to choose from, but let's start by clicking on the Sign Up button if you haven't created an account yet. It's located at the top right of the screen. You'll need to enter your email address, create a password, and follow the prompts to verify your account via the email sent to you. After signing up, log in using your credentials. Now you're ready to explore the tools. On the dashboard, you'll notice several AI tool categories like text analysis, image processing, and natural language understanding. Click on the text analysis tool if you want to analyze text data. You can upload a document by clicking the Upload button, or simply copy and paste your text into the provided field. The AI will then process your text and provide insights such as sentiment analysis, keyword extraction, and more. If you're working with images, click on the Image Processing tool. Here you can upload an image file to perform tasks like object recognition or image enhancement. Simply drag and drop your image into the designated area and watch Claude AI work its magic. For developers, there's an API access option under the Developer Tools section. You can find the API documentation here, which provides detailed instructions on integrating Claude AI capabilities into your own applications. Make sure to check out the Help section if you run into any issues, which offers FAQs and a support contact. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.